Hi everybody, it's Kevin from Bioatomic. Today I just want to talk a little bit about logos and branding. Top 5 tips. One thing you should look at when you're designing a new logo is keeping it simple. There's applications where if you make it overly complex, lots of different details, it's hard to reproduce. Think about, can I print it on that t-shirt? Colors is another thing. Some logos I've seen have many different colors, and if you try and reproduce those applications, sometimes it can be either very expensive or difficult to do technically. It's always great to have a one color version of whatever you choose, but also keeping the colors to a minimum. It also helps to kind of focus the brand on those color schemes. Once you've got the logo, make sure you get all the files from the designer and your color codes. Make sure you have a scalable vector file, and also make sure you have all the PMS, CMYK codes so that you can reproduce the right colors for all of your applications. The other thing with logos I like is to have a symbol. Word-only logos are great, but again, if you go international, sometimes people can't understand what it means. They just see the text, and it makes it a little bit more difficult. I like a simple symbol that goes along with the brand, and makes it a little bit more reproducible for everyone, whether they can read your brand or not. And number 5, I think get your brand standards put together once you get your logo, because as you grow, you don't want to have to reproduce the wheel. Know your color codes, put them all in one place, have all your vector files, so that whatever application is, you know how you like to use it and use it consistently globally. One more topic I wanted to mention on this topic was cursive. There's a lot of kids I know today in school that aren't taking cursive. The schools aren't teaching it anymore. There's iconic global brands like Coca-Cola and Ford Motor Company that use cursive in their logos. If you're creating a new brand, it's wise to start using cursive in those new brands if a lot of the growing portion of the population is not going to be able to read or understand that cursive writing. I'd like your feedback on this, so if you can, leave your comments and we'll talk to you soon. Come back and see us again, and we'll have some more topics on marketing, trade shows, and more.